In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete notifications from iPhone Notification Center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the notification center. As you can see, I got some notifications here, and if I want to delete just one notification, I can just swipe on it to the left, just like that, and that will remove that notification. Also, if we want to delete all the notifications at once, we can tap at that X and then hit at clear. That will clear all the notifications. It shows no older notifications here. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.